What it do, man? It's your boy JP.
And SBK.
Man, we back again with another reaction video, man. Today we got Rich the Kid and Kodak Black, Rain Snow.
Hey, see what they talking about.
We're gonna see what they talking about. Rich.
I used to trap in the rain.
I used to trap in the rain.
Okay.
I got your bitch on go. I was just jigging, finessing folks. Now I'm walking around in a Louis coat. Ride a Maybach, a lamb, I got them both. Bro, was y'all out, I ain't have hope. Call up sniper game, pull up with the scope. I was popping pills cause I couldn't cope. Niggas hating on me, said I wasn't dope. Now I got a Rolls Royce umbrella for rain. Kinda 100 racks up just for the pay. I got this shit out the mud.
Niggas be hating and then be looking at you crazy once you make it, though.
Right. Nigga, wasn't you the one hating? Nigga. Wasn't you the one hating somebody? Yeah, all that, nigga.
The one looking at the video, looking around now.
Keep that same energy, too.
Scratch that head later.
Yeah.
Tell her ran into the plug. Now I hit the mob blow, hold up. Let me fake, they don't never show no love. We the real zombies. If it's a problem, we see about it. My first car was a Maserati. Shit on niggas, that's porta potty.
I gotta stay on the grind and selling dope. Range road, chains on me glow. How many licks I had to go out and hit and make some dope. Rain slow, rain, sleet, snow. How many nights do I gotta stay on the grind and selling dope? Range road, chains on me glow. How many licks I had to go out and hit to make some dope. This that Kodak pop, yeah, I beat the pot out on the floor. This that soda pop, nigga, I blew off shaking up.
What you think so far, bro?
Definitely gas.
I'm fucking with this because both of them niggas from Haiti. Haitian niggas. Both of them.
The video is very interesting.
Yeah.
It reminds me of Son of God. Son of Brazilian movie.
She keep me sloppy like I'm Joe. She give me sloppy like a joke. I'm grinding by my mama.
I always thought Rich the Kid was from Atlanta.
He is from Atlanta, but his family from Haiti.
His family's from Haiti.
I'm selling cocaine, weed, and pills. Keep a bomb behind the stove. Keep some snipers ready to kill. Rain, sleet, snow. How many nights do I gotta stay on the grind and selling?
And you know Kodak Black family from Haiti.
Chains on me glow. How many licks I had to go out and hit and make some dope? Rain, sleet, snow. How many nights do I gotta stay on the grind and selling dope?
Gas!
I'm fucking with this one.
How many licks I had to go out and hit to make some dope?
Yeah, that's catchy too. I like that. I like that one. Man, that was Rich the Kid and Kodak Black, Rain, Snow.
Hey.
What y'all think about that one, man? Y'all let us know what y'all thought about that one. I'm gas.
Gas.
Right now in gas.
Yeah, it's definitely getting played in the spot. Man.
I'm gonna have to rate that one straight fire. Hey, gas, bro.
Right, so.
Yeah, I'm fucking with that one, man. Y'all remember, like, comment, subscribe, man. We out.